I'm craving with pizza. Oh, I will make my. I love pizza very much, so that I made my own pizza. My version pizza. I love it. Love, 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 love. Toppings: vegetable, tomato, cheese, and corn. I love it. Ooh, made pizza. Pizza. Again, another pizza. Another flavor. A corn flavor. Corn flavor. Yeah, I made it corn flavor. Delicious. OMG. Yeah, make it. Now, this is the last dough. Yeah, this is the last dough. Yeah, oh. Different kind of pizza ever. Ooh, delicious ever. Delicious the tomato sauce. Love it. Now I put now the cheese. Put the cheese on top. The corn. Yeah, that's it. Corn. The onion. What else? Another cheese. Oh my god. Delicious cheese. And another cheese on it. Oh my god. Overload with cheese. And then another corn. Put another corn. Put another corn. Ayan, sarap. Okay. And basilicum. Basil. Wow, I love basil. And then another cheese. If overload with cheese, oh my god. Cheddar cheese. That's it. Okay. Put it on the oven. Put it on the oven now.
Itong una kong salang ng pizza ay na-toast ko masyado. But in fairness, ang sarap niya. So crispy. At talagang napasarap ang pagkain ko. Tingnan nyo at kalahati na lang.
Wow, this is perfect. Wow, it's perfect. I'm so hungry. So I will eat. Let's join with me. Come on. Join with me. Come on, come on, come on. I love it. love it. Init! Oh my God. Oh, so init. Hot sweet soda. Delicious. OMG. It's so delicious. Much of Ayan, another one. Oh my God, busog na busog si Maria. Ayan, may natira ako dun sa ikalawa. May natira din ako dun sa una. So God, oh my God, talagang want to sawa sa pizza si Maria. Oh. So ito, tikman na natin to. Ito naman, puro tomato naman ito. Yung isa, pangalawa, puro ano naman yun, cheese. Puro mais naman yung isa. Ito, puro tomato naman to. So, parang sarap-sarap. Mas ito ang parang madaming cheese kasi inubos ko na lahat. Pinakalas kasi ito eh. Yung gilid niya, may cheese pa yan. So, lahat cheese. OMG talaga naman. Saan pa tayo? Ayan. Ooh, I love it. Para magmukbang tayo ng pizza. Ooh, sarap.
May natutunan po kayo sa
sarap.
aking video, huwag
Delicious.
kalimutang i-subscribe,
In fairness,
likes ang
delicious.
aking video, at i-share para
sarap.
maraming makapanood.
Gosh.
Salamat po.